Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are well. So I'm here with another recipe on your demand. I'm making jammy dodger today, and which is known as shortbread cookies as well. You can see all the ingredients are in front of me. I'm going to do the hand mixing. So I'm using here cold butter first. Okay, I'm going to mix the icing sugar and then all the dry ingredients together. So first I'm going to hand mix the sugar and butter. We just have to cream both the stuff, okay, both the things, both the ingredients. As soon as it is done, we just have to add all the dry ingredients together and we just give it a good mix. We don't want here gluten to grow, so we will just give a small mixing. We will add the egg, and as soon as it comes in a dough ball, we will just roll it down between the two parchment paper or any sheet, whatever you have available in your home. Okay, so I'm just going to roll it down and then I will put this in the freezer until it's little bit hardened, so it will be easy to take a shape of cookie. So let's just roll it down and put it in the freezer. Now I'm using this cutter here. It's a very beautiful cutter. If you don't have cutter, don't use the cutter. It's up to you always. So I'm just going to remove the center of the heart and then I will just cut all the cookies. Okay. Almost done. It's a little bit hard, it's a little difficult, but it's fine. So it's time to bake. Now I'm going to put another mat on the top, and so it won't grow too much. It will be flattened from the top and it will have nice finishing on the top. So let's bake it and you see how beautiful they are done. I'm just going to remove it with a spatula and that's it. I will leave it to cool down. Once it is cooled down, then we will move it to the next step. Okay, you can see. So right now I have melted chocolate here. I'm using couverture and you can just drizzle it on the top. It's just for the extra beauty, that's it. There is no other reason. You can skip this step as well. Now I'm going to fill this with the strawberry jam. Any flavor of your jam will do. Okay, so let's just fill all these beautiful cookies and then we will keep it aside. You can also dust these cookies with icing sugar. They will look equally beautiful. Okay, so you can see, and I'm just keep doing this. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel because it's very important. If you are going to like and subscribe the channel, it will motivate me to bring new recipes each day. So let's just finish this and we will present it in a beautiful box. Here it is, our beautiful jammy dodger. You can just enjoy this with evening snack. Until next video, ciao, bye.